Hi gorgeous people, welcome to the channel. So we're going to be continuing our series what I learned from the Abuja YouTubers hangout. So today we are going to be talking about Eti Mark. That's the channel that she uses currently, and she also gave a speech, and I'm just going to be sharing what I took out of that speech. So before we go on, like this video, let's put some housekeeping. Smash the like button. As I'm just talking to you now, just be smashing it, just be smashing it. And if you want to subscribe, subscribe, join this family. We are getting to 1,000 subscribers, so join the moving train, okay? Anyway, so when she gave her speech, you guys check out her channel, because I think she would have like the speech on her channel. She mentioned the fact that people were making comments like pregnancy and they make people they blow for YouTube, because it's almost like if you are pregnant and you are creating pregnancy related content, your videos will do well. And she said something that got me really thinking. She said that she was pregnant 2 years ago, but her channel did not blow. Please, if you are hearing sound or fan, please, this place is hot, so please pardon me. So that 2 years ago she had her first child, and she did not, her vlogging content didn't do well, because she has a skincare channel that has about 800,000 subscribers. She's not small, you guys. So that this is what she did in order to grow her channel. And before I go on, please check out her channel. She also has how to make money on YouTube. It's a book, it's an ebook. I'm going to put the link to the book in the description box if you are interested. She shares her income, what she makes, everything you need to know about making money on YouTube. And I think that if you are someone that is interested in lifestyle vlogging, this book is something you need to read, because you would understand that. So that being said, let's continue what she was saying. So she made mention of the fact that what she did differently this time that made her channel grow, because if you go and look at her channel, you see some videos that have a vlog that has about 2 million views. That's huge. Most vlogs, like if a vlog goes viral for Nigerian creators, is like maybe 100,000, 150, 80,000. But to see a vlog, you just vlogging your everyday life, have 2 million views, anything that person says, you need to listen to that person. So like I said, get her book, her ebook, if you're interested. It's 5,000 naira. So she said that, before I go on, before I tell you what she said, I want you to type in the comment section as we are talking that I am taking notes. Type it in the comment section. If I don't know the people that are taking notes, will not. Yeah, I know you guys are good students, so type it in the comment section that I am taking notes of what Eti Mark said. All right, type it in the comment section. Type it. Okay, I know you have done that. So what she said that she did differently was to create series. I'm like, okay, this is making sense. Now ask me, how do you mean this is making sense? And she said that anything, if you are vlogging, create a series out of it, or if you to grow, create a series out of it. And it makes sense, because she made use of the example of Netflix, how you watch episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. You want to know the next thing that is going to happen. And she mentioned the fact that carry your audience on a journey. So if you are moving to a new house, you let them know from the time you want to move to the new house, the preparation you are making to go to the new house, and all of that. So you carry your audience on that journey. And I'm like, oh wow, because I remember, I think 2 or 3 years ago, Catherine Manning, she's an American YouTuber, that she mentioned this same series, or make series out of your videos. Because why do you need to make series out of your videos? Number one, it helps repetition. It makes the algorithm understand what your content is about. Not today you are creating cooking, tomorrow you are doing DIY, next tomorrow you are in London, you are in Kafachan. So the algorithm will be confused, like, we are confused though, we don't know where to put this person. Do you understand? So if you are making series, because it is related and it is the same general idea, so let's say you are doing a series of your house or cleaning your house or something, so you had cleaning your parlor, cleaning your this, cleaning or that, or like on my channel I'm doing a series on creating short form content. So I have how to do I have reels, how to remove watermarks from your TikTok videos and all of that. That's a series that I'm currently doing. I'm also doing a series on WhatsApp, how to use WhatsApp to market your online business. So when I do how to use WhatsApp to market your online business, features of WhatsApp business, do you understand, how to collect money on WhatsApp business, the algorithm, and I'm mentioning this now in this video intentionally so that YouTube will know where to put this channel. So that's what Etty was saying, because if I begin to mention what Etty does on her channel, I don't want YouTube to categorize me along that line. Do you understand? But you get what I'm trying to say. That's another thing you should learn. When you are doing your videos, try to say some of the keywords that you want your videos to catch it, to be ranked with in the video, because the apart from normal keywords that you write, there's also audio tags. There's something called audio tags. That's going to be another video entirely. So when you are making series out of your content, it trains the algorithm where to place you. So but if you have a 6-part series, you know, most of us were laughing at editorial the other time, that episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, and when this girl said that, I was like, okay, maybe that's what this woman is doing, because you see, it's every day that we learn something new. So by the time you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on you, the series, the algorithm knows that, okay, this is what this channel is about. You understand? So it trains the algorithm to know exactly where to place your content. So when you see Etimag having 2 million views on her vlogs, is because she had trained the algorithm to know that, okay, this is a lifestyle of a mom. You understand? This is a lifestyle of a mom, of a woman who just had a baby and all of that. So it's even possible that you may be doing pregnancy related content, but because you don't have this idea, you don't have this idea there, you just create it one-off, and you'll not be wondering, why is my content not doing well, or why is it not doing well? So it doesn't have to only be pregnancy related. So that's one thing, that's like the major thing that she said, but I'm just going to expand on it. So if you want to create series out of your content, how do you do it? How do you make people to know that you have created a series out of your content? There's something called playlists on YouTube. If you've never heard about playlists, let me know in the comment section. So probably I will do a tutorial on how to create a playlist of your series, okay, and what you need to do. Because when you create, in fact, that's what we'll do after you watch this video. Go and watch the tutorial on how to create a playlist, how to put the playlist within your videos. Anyway, we're going to talk about that in that tutorial. So you create a playlist of your series such that if somebody watches part 1 of the series that you have done, when they watch that video, when you have a playlist of that series, because the way YouTube works, somebody may watch your own series, YouTube will recommend something similar that is not your own. But if you have a playlist of that series that you are doing, when the person watches one and you tell them in your video that, oh, I have a playlist, just like I'm telling you now, that I have a playlist of all that I learned from the Abuja YouTubers hangout. Do you understand? As well as other people who came for that hangout, there's a playlist, and you are going to see it down below so you can watch it, right? So you will mention it to your audience that, okay, there's a playlist. So if you enjoyed episode 1, you want to know what will go on in episode 2, you want to know what will go on in episode 3, so you learn like that. And I just want to say that Etty was so pleasant. We did reels together, we danced. Like, she's a very beautiful woman, like, and she was really pleasant. So that's what I learned from Etty Francis. If you are going to set up your playlist, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, there's a part 2 of this video, how to set up your playlist, how to put your playlist in your videos, okay, so that YouTube will keep recommending your videos together. So this is where we're going to end this video. Like I said, Etty has an ebook called How to Make Money on YouTube. I'm going to put it in the description box as well as the pinned comment. If you have watched this point, let me dance for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.